Hi, today I am going to show you how to join Telegram group via QR code. So let's just say you wanted to join this group here on Telegram and you want to join via QR code. So all I have to do or all your friends have to do is to simply tap this group chat here, specifically the name of the group chat, and then click this QR code here. Now click this share QR code, or you can simply screenshot this QR code. Now open a QR code application, and we don't need to scan. All we have to do is just simply import this screenshot photo. So how are we going to do that? Screenshot this first, go back to your QR code scanner, and then tap this picture icon here, tap phone or gallery, and then import the photo or the screenshot photo. Then click this open here or tap this link, and it will take you directly to this Telegram group. So here it is. Now you can tap view in Telegram in order for you to easily get access to the group, or you can easily join the group. Okay, tap join and you will be able to join Telegram group via QR code. So that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.